So let's go to the very end. The Battle of Berlin.
Yeah.
Hitler sitting in his bunker, his suicide, Germany's surrender. You actually said that Downfall, the movie, was a very accurate representation.
I think it is, really. Except that Goebbels took cyanide and didn't shoot himself.
Oh, details. But I think it might be my favorite World War II movie, which is strange to say because it's not really about World War II. It's about Hitler in a bunker, but
I think was his name Bruno Ganz, wasn't it? I think he nailed him.
yeah.
There's so many accounts of that. There's so much written about Hitler. There's millions and millions of Hitler's words that you can read. There are translations of many of his conferences. You can see what he's saying. You can get inside his head in a very clear way, and much more clearly than you can Stalin or just about any other leader, really. And so one has a very, very strong impression of what Hitler was like in the bunker in those last days. There's so many accounts of it, and it just feels like they nailed it. It just feels like they've got it spot on to me.
I mean, it's a fascinating story of evil maniac, and this certainty, crumbling, right? Like realizing that this vision of the 1,000-year Reich is.
And Hitler says, my reputation won't be good to start off with, but I hope in a few years' time that people will start to realize the kind of all the good I was trying to bring.
Yeah,
And that sort of.
they're all the same, aren't they? You always believe you're doing good.
Yeah.
And there's so many deep lessons there.